Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sagar and today we will be seeing what is pointer in Go language and how do we use pointer in functions. So let's do the coding. So for that, first we'll create one function. So I write func and then I write here a function name. So I write f1 value. Okay. I open the bracket and I write the variable name. So I write int a int and here I write a is equal to 0. Okay, let's say 0 I write. So we have created our function. Okay, now we need to call it. So here I am declaring one more variable with the same name a colon is equal to 1, and now I am calling this function f1 value, and I pass here a variable which we have created. Okay, and here I write some message. So I write fmt dot print ln, let's say print, and I am printing the variable a. So when I run it, I will get I get only one value. Okay, so now I got one value as an output. Why so? Let's check it. So I am assigning this a to 1 and I am calling this function f1 value with this variable a variable. So what is happening here, when I call this function, it goes here but it is not assigning 0 to a. Why so? Because we are calling this by value, we are not calling it by address or reference. So we need to call it by address. So for that, what I do, I copy this and I paste over here, and I change the function name. Let's say I write here address. Okay, again I copy it, make it ln, and okay, again call this function. So this time I call f1 address, and I call this function by address or by reference. So for that, what I write address of a. I will pass address of a, and here I write a pointer. Okay, and I have to store 0 to a. So I write a pointer is equal to 0. Again I run it and let's see the output. So first time it will print 1, and next time it print 0. Why so? Because we are reassigning the value of a with 0 with the help of reference, with the help of address. So if you want to print the address of this variable, what do? We can copy this, okay, and then we can write address of a. So this is the address of variable a, which is stored in the memory. So if you want to see this, this variable where it has stored in the memory, so it is stored in this location. Okay, so this is the pointer concept, right? So I hope you guys have liked the video. If you do, do subscribe and share.